Color grading is usually a part of editing a video where we try to give feelings to it by making it warm, friendly, cold, dangerous, and so on. But what I want to talk about today is changing the foundation of your image creatively and make a stylistic image rather than a realistic one. Alright, to give you a hint, it's going to be about changing specific colors in the scene. And I'm going to use the Lumetri color in Premiere Pro to do it. But if you get the idea, you can find tools in other NLEs that can do the same. Okay, I'm going to start by working on the most famous version of the effect, changing the colors of one season to another. For this, I'm going to go to the color panel and open up the HSL secondary dropdown. You can see that under the key section, there are 3 color pickers. The one on the left is what you should start with. Click on it and choose whatever color you want to change in your video. Here, I'm gonna choose the green. Now, obviously this doesn't pick the whole spectrum of green for me. That's why the middle color picker exists, which broadens the range of the color I have chosen. So when I choose this one, I can click and drag around different ranges of the color I want to change. And now, as you can see, the range of the selected color is widened. Now, if you want to see what you've selected, come down here and check the color gray option, which shows you the selected colors, and whatever that's gray is not selected. If you have accidentally chosen the wrong color, all you have to do is to use the third color picker and click and drag on everything you don't want to change. Once you're happy with the selection, you can smooth it out by adding some denoising and blur. Then to change the color, come down here under correction and change the selected color to whatever color you want. I can change the color in a unified wheel or use the 3 wheels of shadows, midtones, and highlights to have more control over how it looks. This is the basic use for this effect, something we've seen many times, to change the season's appearance. We have a pack for this color effect called CL Vivid. As you can see, this is a creative tool to enhance the video. If you like this sort of effects, you might also like our CL Asset color presets that are in the psychedelic side of the spectrum. Actually, we have a ton of color presets and other types of assets like VFX and typography templates that can all enhance your videos. But the best part is that you can have everything that exists in Pixflow's library under a single subscription. So dig into our library and do whatever you want with it. See you in the next one.